our great high priest, entering the holy place, not by blood of goats or calves, but by his redeeming grace, by his own most precious blood, once for all the work was done, eternal redemption won, through God's everlasting Son. Better redemption, full and free, purchased on Calvary. Once for all the price was paid, Jesus Christ our risen King. Better redemption now proclaimed, praise forever to his name. By his blood we're reconciled, children of the living God. If the blood of beasts could cleanse only outward for a day, how much more shall Jesus' blood wash our guilty hearts away? Through the Spirit he was offered, spotless Lamb for sinners slain. Now we serve the living